Hey everyone, my name is Heathrow. I'm a handyman and a carpenter. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be building some floating shelves like these ones. I'm using some reclaimed true 2x12s to make these floating shelves, and I think they turned out pretty good. So if you're interested in seeing how I did these heavy duty shelves, stay tuned and we'll get started. does it for this episode of my Craftsman remodel. Really happy with how these floating shelves turned out. And if you're interested in following this project along, I will leave a link to a playlist here. It has all the videos on this house from start to finish. So definitely check that out if you are interested. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.